Hey, good morning, good morning, morning. Can we actually talk today? Good morning, gang. 9:28, Thursday, Mulligan Third. Oh my God, look at this. This is what kind of discombobulated day today is. I don't even have my camera on. There we are. Holy jeez. So my wife is sick today. Um, and she's obviously our rock star with the kids. We homeschool our kids and everything else. Yarg. Let's go, Miguel. And she's sick. So when she's sick, it throws the house into calamity a little bit. Man, just to explain my morning really quick before we open in a minute and a half. So this morning I woke up. We have an Airbnb. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Shh, shh, shh. We have an Airbnb guest checking in today. We have a broken AC unit, so I had to fix a capacitor today. I had to fix our irrigation system and make sure that was working today. I had to clean the Airstream because, again, wife is sick. Had to make the kiddos breakfast. Tried to trade the morning news at 8:30 really quick, It's been a morning. Needless to say, took all the animals out. And trading that little news didn't work out for me today. We lost $40 already. So we got to make $40 back.
No problem.
But besides all that, how are we doing today, sir? It's good to see you. Good to see us.
Doing good. New day.
Yep.
Ready to see what the market has for us. So
Looks like you finished off the day pretty darn strong yesterday as well, as always.
yeah, we didn't have a bad day, not at all. So got a little down on some of my funded accounts, but today's a new day. So
Today's a new day. Oh shoot, man! I just skipped through it. I just saw a couple good trades, and I was like, "Yep, he's doing what he always does."
well, a lot of those, a lot of my. Well, I mean, I traded a couple funded yesterday on there, but a
Yeah.
lot of my funded I don't trade on screen. It's kind of the blow. So kind of take the same trades I talked about. So
Yep. Yep.
huge push down right there.
So yeah, instant push down. That's basically our 8:30 candle is the one that brought us down to 795. So let's see if we want to test that level or not. Otherwise, we have a shitload of volume up here at 869 instead. Q's has a very, very, very tiny. Nope, 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 nope. They just sold off. I was gonna say they might have had a tiny little gap when they fell down, but they're not. They're looking
There we
all
go.
right.
Look at that.
Oh fuck, man.
Just chasing the fallen knife.
Chasing it pretty well though.
And out.
Hey,
Well,
morning,
like you,
Charles.
I was trying to test a few different deals today on one of my accounts and
Uh huh.
accidentally went kind of trying to set some ATMs and stuff and went
Yeah.
long on one and lost like, I think 40, 60 bucks, 80 bucks before
Yeah.
I realized it, which was like 2 seconds. But
No. Damn, man, your long is still long and two, just racing
yeah, I
through the
should have held on
moon.
to it. I was just afraid if it didn't hold that shelf at 30s, but
Yeah. Shoot, man, nicely done. I know I gotta stop talking so much in the morning. In all honesty, what we need to start doing is starting the stream at like 9:20 or 9:15, so I can get like my, you know, my morning stupid
yeah,
stuff out of the way that nobody even cares about anyways.
we all care. That's why we're here.
So
Good morning, guys.
Nvidia
Good
had a
morning,
gap
Miguel,
down, of
Carl, driving
course.
obsession.
Morning, 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 morning driving obsession. Thank you. And thank you, Miguel, too. I hope she feels better as well because, again, it puts our house in disarray.
For sure.
All right. So, trying to be a little bit more patient today versus yesterday. Actually, you know what was my real big problem about yesterday is I got too stubborn. And I decided, you
Mm.
know what? It's got to be like short, right? We kept trying to short that
Oh yeah.
rocket ship long, and I just, kept adding in, adding in, adding in, adding in, adding in. Don't forget to like the video before you go. 5 people here, only 2 likes. Very suspicious, says Charles. I'm damn sure Greg and Cowboy haven't liked the stream. You're right, man. I actually don't ever like my stream. I wonder if I can like my
There it
stream.
is.
Can I like my own stream?
There's another one.
Hey, I can hit the 100. Give him a hundos. I know, man. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like we need to get like a winning trade before I can ask for likes. When you get a winning trade, then be like, all right, get a couple of likes in there.
So we can't ask for a W yet.
Well, you did. Shit, man. You did. That's true. You already got a good one. I mean, what was that? That was like 40 points. I was kind of, again,
Yeah, I think we got a quick 40 out of that, maybe.
in my own world over here. All right, so yeah, let us know your mindset. What are you thinking right now?
Well, I got my blood pumping just on 2 little micros, so I'm out right now, but we really need to wait for at least this 5 minutes to close. I
Yep.
mean, more important, 15 minutes, but
As we
who
like
can
to
wait
do.
that long?
Nice.
Who can wait that long? Nobody, right?
Right? These
Nobody on this
motherfuckers.
channel. Well, I
And
don't
I,
know. I think Charles could. I think Chop Trader could. I
hey,
think
morning, Chop Trader. Good morning,
I
good
think all those guys
morning.
could wait.
And thank you for that like, sir. Thank you for that like. Man, I gotta figure out. I don't know. It's one of those things that like I set up this system and then it works good enough, and then I don't perfect the system. I gotta work on perfecting the system because an issue I'm working with now is I keep my laptop speakers a little bit lower so that my microphone doesn't pick up, your voice, trading cowboy, because then we get
Oh
that little
yeah.
echoey distortion thing. But the problem with that is because my speakers are low, I found I talk over you frequently. And I don't mean to,
Oh,
sir.
oh, it's okay.
Especially honestly, you got more important stuff to say than me most of the time. And then here I'm fucking rambling. You're trying to say something important about a trade. And I'm just like, blah, 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 because I can't fucking hear you. So I don't know. I gotta start wearing headphones or something like that. Which we tried that once, and that was weird.
I mean, it's kind of crazy. I like the shorts here, but
Mm-hmm.
I'd like to have caught it about 10 points ago, but
Yep.
it's just a shot in the dark, hoping that VWAP and all these EMAs hold. But they're all kind of pointing down. But
Yeah, and right now, I mean, it's
oh,
really
that
it's a
those are perfect.
now it's starting to break. Yeah, I was gonna say we were
Yeah.
kind of wedging almost there. Let's see if we'll get any type of like retest of these EMAs, but everything is curling down nicely. The only thing I don't like is Nvidia's kind of at support though. I mean, Q's at the bottom of its range. VIX is going up though. Is it a trap? No, it looks like Nvidia's falling. I'm gonna try to take a little stab here. Take a little stab ski. See if we can't target the
Nice.
low. Bringing them stops down.
If we
Bringing
can
them
get through this
stops
eight
down.
tens, that's kind of there it goes. There you go. Look at that.
Boom! Full price target hit.
There's some W's, guys. There's some W's.
Hey, W's in the chat. Where do we get the nutties? And we're back to break even on the day. Now we're up $6. That's what you guys came here to see. You know?
Still pushing. Nvidia's got a pivot point right there where it's at.
W, says Miguel.
730s maybe on. Well, I mean, we kind of got, I think 752 ish.
That's what I was just looking at. We got that wick at 752, 754 on the 1 hour. If we
Okay.
break that wick, then I would expect, 700s, right?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, our next get nice hard support. Yeah, 727.
Mm-hmm.
But that 752, yeah, it bounced about 10 points early. So
Yep. But man, I have a feeling it's going to be one of those things that happens almost a little bit too quick to catch it correct.
yeah,
Unless we do it here, if it does your upside down move here.
yeah. I mean, if we can find support right there.
Where did the green sheets that were in the dryer
Oh
go?
yeah, nice
I put them
support,
in
nice
the
push.
Airstream.
What did you do?
I put them on the bed on the Airstream.
Did you clean the airstream?
Huh? Yeah, a little bit. I mean, I did all the kind of main stuff. So I put those sheets on the bed really quick. I put the pillowcases on. I vacuumed really quick. I used like the cleaning spray, and I wiped down all the counters, like the toilets, the bathroom. The only thing that I didn't do was the shower, because I just literally ran out of time.
That's fine. I just like opened the dryer and I was like,
Yeah. No, sheets are on the bed. I know. I figured that was like
I'm like, where did they go?
I figured that was the biggest thing that I
Okay,
could
come here, mister.
kind of help with. So he's fed too. Dogs are fed.
You know, but he's, get
That was
mister.
great, man.
You gotta take off your diaper.
That was really good.
It got the mohawk.
Whoa. Did Mama help you with that? Or did
Nope.
you just... Wow, dude. I feel like you did way better than where I had it.
Yeah.
You did a great job.
You did way better.
Wow. Very cool.
Hey, Dad. Show
He
it
made
to
a...
all your friends.
Alright, I'll show it to all my friends. He made a tiger that's
We
a
got two
wizard.
right there, guys. Just a little long, just to see if it'll push over.
Pirate.
Looks like it's pulling right back down the second I entered, though.
The
So.
tiger is a pirate tiger.
Nice.
Are we putting the suit back on?
No.
Want to take it off?
Wait, you need this?
Yeah.
Yeah, looking pretty wicky.
Want to put Miles back on?
Yeah, Nvidia is still kind of shot in the face.
You go put Miles back in the player? Where?
A little push up, not much. There's a little bit. I'm just going to try to take maybe one or two off if it comes back down.
Oh,
There's
I got
push.
wicked, son of a bitch. I tried.
Look at
Nice
that,
pirate
come
tiger,
on.
little Greg. Man, yeah, I should obviously always know not to fade you, man. But looking at Nvidia, oh man, Nvidia just got shot in the face there, and I was like, whew. Well, shoot, we just lost what we made.
Just off of that, I mean, that previous candle had that nice support. This one came down halfway, and I bought it when it pushed back through the top, so I got in a little late. Averaged down one time.
Yeah.
Ended up having three of them, but as soon as it cleaned up that wick there, I just moved my stops to the bottom of that wick and we got that good push up. So
Damn.
just playing those candles and not even really looking at anything else. But again, I mean, we called it out a while ago. Nvidia had that pivot point right there at 186.37, so it did wick below it and then pushed right back above it.
Yeah.
So when I saw it come back to it again, I was just hoping it was going to be quick support, but it touched it and then now it's back below it. So
Shoot, man. We just went right back down to where my entry point was on that short. Looks
I
like
mean,
we're
this
forming a
794 is trying to be support, but I don't know if it's going to try to hold or not.
bear flagging a little bit. 940.
Nice little bear flag, I guess, isn't it? And I think it could be a down day because my son looked at me when I walked in the office this morning and said, "Dad, it's going to be a long all day." So,
Dang!
so we need to look for the downside, guys.
He called it, man. He pointed his bat towards the fence.
Yeah.
Man, I mean, otherwise, London high, Asian high, 25,054. That'd still be 200
Got in
points
late right
north.
there. I'm going to just get out of that. Don't follow this one, guys. I'm going to get right out right there. Man, I tried to buy that sucker right there at 790s, and when I clicked it, I got up at 810 or something.
Ah, I wicked you quick.
Yeah, I just didn't want to be in it that long right there, so
Yeah.
I'd rather be in at 794 and see if it holds, but
It's just crazy with NVIDIA looking
NVIDIA's
so
still pushing
weak.
down.
Yeah,
It's got the
right?
200 EMA right there, so I'm expecting a pretty good bounce on it if it gets to that.
Come on,
We
bitch.
drew this, I drew 787 yesterday. I don't know if we did it in the morning or if I did it yesterday afternoon, but it was kind of respecting that for a minute. There's the breakthrough.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Got a little guy off of it. Darn it, though.
I want to see if this is going to be the inversion or if we're going to get Wicks plumb out now. See if it's going to be a good downside move.
Yeah, NVIDIA lost 186. Oh, NVIDIA has a massive gap fill it's going for. That's why. Look at that. Look at all screens real quick. Gap fill from Tuesday. Look at that. Kaboom. It's been up there all day. Last couple days. So
Can you move
NVIDIA
that screen
might...
over for us, Greg?
What's that?
Can you move that screen over for us?
Ah,
It's not-
shit. Yeah, why is it doing that? Why'd my stuff get all messed up? Nope. Yep. So yeah, now you can see that NVIDIA gap fill thing. Is that what I want? Yeah, I guess that's what I want. Yeah.
Here we go.
All right, so yeah, massive gap fill. It could fall another 2 points, even though, you know, market is reacting up right now. You know, I'm gonna try a friggin' short again. I'm short biased at the moment, even though the charts aren't telling me to be.
For all you guys that know my setup right now, we're up about 23 points right now.
Oh, motherfucker, man, I'm doing stuff. I didn't even look again. I didn't even look. For everybody that knows my setup, he says.
Now, right here is going to be a good pullback if it gets it, because it's testing the 21, but now you're up. There you go. Look at that.
Nope. Shoot,
Boom,
man.
guys.
Huge trade, bud.
There's a good 50-point trade, if I can get it in there. Come on, give me 50 points. There you go. All right, 50
Huge
points right there,
trade,
guys.
bud.
Boom. Hey, look at the setup, though. Boner candle. This candle retraced halfway.
Yep.
Here was the entry. Here was
Yep.
our shoulder support. My
Fuck
entry
me.
was about 802. We rode it all the way up to 52.
Yeah, man. I didn't even look. I don't even know. I gotta stop looking at Nvidia. I'm over here looking at Nvidia.
Well, I mean, you were calling it out for me, so I knew what was happening. So, but we had that pop right off the 200, right? So that 200, I tell you guys, I mean, when I traded options, I mean, I literally would wait for Nvidia, Tesla, you know, SPY, all them to come to the 200, and would expect a bounce there. And you don't get it all the time.
Wow.
Now, if it goes below it and closes below it, then you could target your shorts, right? But they always get a nice pop right off that 200.
Man, I'm gonna
And
change
look at
it.
that.
I'm gonna.
Now we rejected the VWAP.
Oh fuck. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I was trying to race around and do everything today.
Now there again. Now we're back at the 200. Now we're getting Greg's move.
Yeah, if Greg had stayed in it.
See, we both won.
I lost.
So now our next pivot. I mean, we have. Well, what do we have here? We kind of have 185.51 on Nvidia. So about another 20 cents down. I think we get some continuation down now. Maybe you think? I mean,
I think I'm gonna
that's
wait until you
huge
make a
candle,
move
though.
at this
I mean, what
point.
did we have right there? Yeah, see, we just had an 80-point drop, so you hate to try to jump in a short after that. Where are we at? So let me get back to on a 5-minute on NQ. I mean, we've made lower lows.
Meg, dear freaking God, what is your problem?
Yeah, I mean, it's really just it's a ugly looking bear flag. With just ugly because that very first candle is like a crazy doji.
Yeah, and I mean that right there, guys, why you don't want to try to short that down there at the bottom after 80-point drop. Look at that.
Big push.
I wouldn't hesitate to short it here, but that would just be a spin the wheel.
Right.
So there's our. Are we gonna get that half retracement?
Yeah, man, I'm not even paying attention to stuff. Oh. Get in the game, Greg. Because look at this. I literally got out right before the 200 EMA too, which obviously there should have been resistance at the 200. Blah, 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 blah. Man, sometimes.
Okay, see that the same trade's kind of playing out again. We're not in it, but I mean right there, if you'd have took it, you got 20 points pretty quick, 18 points. Now she's kind of hesitating. And if you look, I mean, history just repeated itself, right? I mean, we had the exact same boner candle. What, 3 minutes later, this one retraced halfway.
Yep. Oh yeah, still pushing.
Little volatile. I mean, it's moving. Those candles are moving pretty fast. So. Off the bottom, 20 points. That a boy, Chop Trader. Heck yeah.
Heck yeah, Chop. We like hearing that. Man, I just can't believe 2 trades today. Both trades faded you. Accidentally. I literally just was like, all right, this makes sense. I'm going in. And then I look up and I'm like, oh, no.
Well, and that's why we got to hear live. I mean, we're not fading each other to make money.
Right.
I mean.
Ugh. Man, ES has a crazy, actually both of them, ES and NQ on the 5-minute. That's a crazy candle. Look at those wicks popping up. It seems like she wants to have a big old pop, really. Charles is still sitting on his hands.
Smart man. So NVIDIA kind of has what, a gap up, a gap all the way to 187.68 just for from close yesterday.
Yeah, there's a small gap up, and then there's still the big
there.
small gap up, big gap down.
down.
Yep. That's too funny, man. I just drew my yellow line too, and then I looked up and I was like, oh, he's got a blue line.
I wanted to get over that, and then, but
Look
I don't
for
know what
it.
I'm going to do if it goes over it.
Look, yeah. I mean, Nvidia's turning green. 950 candle right here.
I mean, our 9's starting to cross the 21.
Yep. Get a big push up to VWAP, 884. There's our 200 again.
Yeah, I mean,
No bottom wick.
yeah, and that's what I was looking at. I was thinking, man, if it could push up to the 868s, 865s with no wick on the bottom, I'd like to try a short there. But the safer move would, be up to get up to the 880s, because that's the 80 mark. That's where our real VWAP is on the 5-minute.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know if we should try to ride it up there. 5-minute candle saved lives. Yeah, for sure, right, Charles?
Battling it.
And there's kind of that half retracement. I just don't know if it's for real. Yeah, I see it's still pushing down a little bit. Touch the 9.
I'm going to try along there. Hopefully.
I mean, I'm not disappointed in it. If it could really push up above this, our little blue trend line we just drew.
Yeah.
I mean, it's making a nice little bull flag if that's the case, right? There you go, look.
Yeah. I took it pretty early. I took it at 46. Went up to 56 already. Yeah, that would have been a good one to hold. Yeah, it might be a little resistance here at the 80s.
Oh, my Lanta. I want to pull that short, but geez, oh, Pete, it ate me up yesterday, didn't it?
Yeah.
Let's see what this one does. See if it gets a little wick up. We can wick through the 80, that little previous 83 candle. It's not going to. I'm going to try to. See, that's junk. Look how low it got me in at. Now I look like a douchebag.
Now I look like a douchebag, he says.
Stop filled.
If this gets me back to even, I'll get back out. If it makes a quick wick over 83 and pulls down, I'll stay in it, but...
Oh, there's your quick wick.
So now I'm just going to give it a little, I don't even know what to give it. 890, I'll just do 900. I'll get out there if it doesn't.
Little push down.
Man, that nine's pointing straight to the sky almost, though.
Yeah.
There's a little bit. I'm going to take 2 off there.
Yeah.
Got 2 left. Take another one. Now we'll just set a stop up here at the top. See if we can get, see what kind of push we can get. Can we get back to the 50s maybe? No.
Nice short again, man. Nice trade. Nice call out.
Just going to move it down to 65. Probably take it right. Well, not even gonna let me have it. 66, 65. There's 65. There's 20 points.
Nice.
All right.
Nice.
Up 204 now.
Nice, bud. Nice. Down 102. We'll get there, though.
Come on, Greg. Let's go.
I know,
Lock in.
baby. Babe, how you doing over there? Do you need anything? Do you want, like, hot tea? Does your stomach hurt, or are you just sick? Do you want that medicine then before it kicks into crazy gear? Like, is it cramp? Oh, okay.
All right, guys. Pushing through the top of the box right here.
Now, again, Asian low is 987. Asian high 25,049 and London high 25,058. Shoo.
Beautiful push. And that's why we wrote it down to the 9, right, guys? If I hadn't had the 9 there, I probably would have got burned again because I would have been targeting the 21. So all you guys that have the 9 on your chart, y'all saved me.
Now we do have a potential resistance point at the 920s here. Yeah. I did. Yeah. And then I brought the table back up. And again, wiped down all those surfaces and stuff.
Yeah, this 899 was kind of our shelf, so we came right back. We pulled right back under it. And then we have, 928.50 roughly is a good pivot point.
Yeah, it came down, just bounced right off VWAP here, right off 890s. Still pushing. Oh yeah, Nvidia's going to its gap fill now. I mean, it's so stinking close. I think we're gonna get a strong continuation.
Yeah, I mean, why didn't we just trade Nvidia?
Right.
And look, I mean, and you look at it again. I mean, I sound like a broken record, but right off the 200, right?
Right. Right.
So that's where I would have placed several call options.
Still pushing. There's our 920 resistance, but it seems like she wants to just rip through it. Ooh, little reaction back down. Man, that 920 was a good little resistance point. Here we go, pushing back up though. $9.58.
Yeah, not a real big difference, but you could have scooped up an NVIDIA 187.50 at the bottom there for a $1.22. And right now it's at a $1.78. It's at a $1.70 right now.
That's pretty good. That's a good percentage though.
Yeah, you could have got 50% of your money right there.
That's a great percentage.
About $1,000 would have made you 600.
Yep. Here's a new candle in 3 seconds here.
I mean, what do we think here? NVIDIA's pulling back. Okay, see, if you look at ES, it did the same thing. It went up, had a pivot point at 668.89.50, and then it hit the 200 to the T and rejected hard off of it.
Yep. Yeah, I'm going to switch all of these to, instead of showing the 9, I'm going to show the 200 on my 5-minute charts. Let's see how that works. All right. Yeah, VIX is going up a little bit.
Oof. Little volatility. Did we have some 9 o'clock news or anything? No?
10 o'clock? Not that I know of.
10 o'clock? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Texas.
I'm almost
man.
going to have to change my clock to y'all's time, ain't I?
Right? Leading economic index came out at 10, but I don't know. I didn't think that was like a big one.
I'm going to try just one right there. Stop at the bottom of that wick.
You going long?
That's going to come right down to wick it out, so do not follow that.
I don't know, man. I don't hate it because you have your support line. You got the blue line right there.
I'm going to move it actually a little. That's probably too low, but right below that previous body there at 38. So
Oh, Charles been short since 9:02. He says, "My man."
yeah, that a boy, Charles. Man, I was looking at that hard, that 920 area, and I thought, okay, if I get in at 910, 900, I'd have a 10, 20 point stop. And
Good trade though.
oh, there's one off. Now I'm just going to trail the other one. So we got, what did we get there? We got 25 points off of that one. Now we're up 30 points on this one.
Hell yeah.
40 points. Come
Go,
on.
baby, go. Go, baby,
Back to the
go.
9. Out where Charles got in. Let's go.
That's amazing, man. Great trade. Shoot, man. I got 12 points off of that. You just got 70. Damn
Let's
it.
hold it, Greg. Let's hold it.
All
Hold
right,
the
next
winners.
next trade we're holding. Next trade we're
Just
gonna
hold
hold.
the winners. Just hold the winners.
Oh, but that was a
And that's
problem,
why
man.
I
Is
like it. I mean, so you kind of saw what I did, right? I mean, we were in here, so I set my first target at 880 because that was the top of this shoulder. As soon as it got that one, it sold one of them for me.
Yep.
And then I just put my other one to break even and then let it see if it would run. Now, sometimes it pulls right back and stops it, but we had a good runner there, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Shoot, man. All right, next trade.
If this one didn't have that top wick at the top like that, it pulled right back down to the 9 and held it. Could be a nice deal because, I mean, look, we have this little inversion. We had this shelf here. We had your no candle, right? Your no wick that you talked about. It wicked through it. So we're getting a little inversion. So in theory, you think we'd pop 920.
We're gonna pop.
But I don't know. I don't want it to trick us. And right now, I mean, we're above our blue trend line that we drew. I guess your yellow trend line. We're
Yeah.
above it. So now we're just looking for dip buys.
Right. Charles goes, it looks like I'm not trading today. My setup isn't here.
I mean, that was a nice push down. I mean, I see exactly what Charles was looking at. I mean, it popped the highs. We
Or
coulda had
chop
a V
trader, yeah,
recovery,
chop
drop back
trader.
down.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Chop trader, yeah.
Man, yeah, look at the beautiful push. Nvidia's just skyrocketing right now. Still hasn't filled its gap yet. Oof. Oof, look at that push.
Look at that inversion, guys. Oh, my gosh. Why didn't
Look
we
at
catch
that
that one, too?
stinking push.
I mean, there's...
We got 10 seconds left on this candle.
Oh. I hate that. I mean, that's 65, 70 points from the from the setup that I call out every day.
Right. Right.
Got some resistance here though. There's the 200 on the 5. There's our 50% above the box. Not saying it's over, but we maybe get a pull down back to the 930s and see if it holds real good and solid.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, look at that hard right. I mean, straight back down instantly. So now we want to see it pop above it.
Hey,
We're
what's
not
up,
getting that
Zero?
50-second push.
Oh, yeah, 15
Zero
seconds
Dawn.
left.
Now Zero Dawn, he's the king of those nice 100-point trades. So
Is he?
yeah.
Damn, man. Let's see some hundos.
We've had some pretty good ones this morning already, Zero Dawn. I mean, we had some 50, 60, 70 pointers already. Just
Crushed it. Crushed it.
I want to say this is going to be a bull flag, but I'm not real sure. I mean, we got right back below our 930 pivot point.
Yep. Nvidia still hasn't filled that gap. Not that I need to worry about
yeah,
that
it's
thing
pushing
anymore.
right now. So
Friggin' tricking me.
it's getting that little push. Where would we? I don't know where I'd feel comfortable.
Putting the stop. It'd have to be like
I'd have to have my
882.
stop at like 75.
Yeah.
Thinking maybe our 880 would kind of be our good support. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, it's came to the 21 a lot. It's came to the 45 once in a while, too, just to wick me out.
I'm going to go right there. I'm just going to put my stop right here. Probably going to hit it, but... Zero Dawn, I did a nice catch at 851 and rode it to 940. Yeah, see there? He got 90 points.
Damn.
We're just banking on NVIDIA really getting that push, but it doesn't look like it's... I'm going to take one at 925 if it gives it to us, but she looks pretty weak now. Yeah, look at that. NVIDIA went right back under the box.
See if we can break 920s.
I think we're going to get that hard pullback now. Come on, baby.
There we go.
So now I'm just going to bring my stops up back to the bottom of those candles.
Yep. Oh, shit.
That should have been the one to get out on.
That's the one I did get out on. And watch, now you're about to get 100 points every single time. Greg's out. Now we can go.
Come on, baby. Giddy up. Oh, that was terrible. Now we're going to get the push down. I took that from the Cowboy trading book. Yeah, Zero Dawn knows I like to catch. Okay, I still got stopped out there.
But it just
Zero Dawn knows I like to catch those knives.
it kissed that 21 perfectly and then popped back up.
Yeah, and see, that's where I had it before, is right below it, but
It pulled it up.
and that wasn't really a technical trade on my part. I was just betting on the NVIDIA was pushing so nice. Kind of made a double top there, but it didn't have a whole lot. It only had like 10 cents to fill that gap, but I bet it goes and fills it now, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, NVIDIA NQ probably would have been a good dip buy off the 888.
I have no idea. Hold on, we got somebody knocking on our door.
I mean, guys, don't you think we're going to get another leg down here? That's kind of what I'm seeing. I don't know if we can draw this over here. See if Zero Dawn kind of agrees with this, maybe.
Like a nurse looking
Is that kind of what you would have Zero Dawn on yours?
I mean, on the 5 minute, it's starting to look like a really nice bull flag. NVIDIA's still pushing. It's at the top of its kind of range, and it just broke it. I have that as
I just drew this little blue line on here, Greg. This is just kind of our bottoms.
Yeah.
And I asked Zero Dawn if that's kind of what he was thinking, and he said that that's kind of what he has for a possible short.
Yep.
So going to kind of use it as support right now, because yesterday several times, you know, we got those big pops, and I kept trying to short it right before it would get through it. But I think what he usually does is likes it below it and then likes it to retest that 9.
Yeah. That's funny, man. I just drawn that too. I drew it a little bit higher though. Mine was coming up through the That was one thing Patrick showed me actually. He's like, don't go off the wicks, go off the bodies usually. But
You know, I do that a lot. Me and Zero Dawn had a big conversation about it kind of last week, I think.
yeah.
Because when I do it on my small bear flags, or the smaller time, like if we're looking at 2 or 3 candles,
Yeah.
I draw it off the bodies, and that's what we were kind of talking about. But the longer time frame, I kind of look at those bottoms, just because you don't get as good of an entry, I think, because these bodies tell me support, right?
Right.
That's kind of what I look at,
Right.
because that's where it pops right back to. But if you can wait for it to get below those wicks, then it's more confirmed, I guess.
Yep. Wicks do the damage, body tells the story, says Charles. Yep.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. So I think if you wait for that wick a little bit, then I'm going to try a little long right there again. Probably dumb. I'm going to put my stops below these wicks. It's going to come right back down. I like how it was holding right there, but now it doesn't look like a bull flag very much anymore, does it? Come on. I know everybody was looking for a short.
I know. We're all talking about shorts. We're going long.
Nutsack.
NVIDIA just filled its gap.
Stock filled.
Oh,
Nope.
why am I still in one?
Here now we're
Come
bouncing off
on.
the 200.
I still had one in the fight, so I just kind of bought another one as it dipped to the bottom. So
Yep.
not financial advice whatsoever.
Huh. Yeah, I was setting up to maybe go short if it broke past 871.
Yeah, I
But
say that 100%.
kind of looks like she's still trying to go up.
All right, I'm out of that, guys.
Order filled.
Oops.
It's 868, pretty decent. I mean, ES crushed it. It's down back at 873 support. Oh, Nvidia's rocketing. It filled the
Still
gap.
friggin' pushing though. Yeah, look at that thing.
What are we doing, guys? What are we doing?
Here's our 5-minute. Back.
I bought a few down there at 882.
Ah, shit.
Just bought 4. I'm going to take one off there. Maybe 2. I'm just going to let these ride. And right back down, maybe.
Stock filled.
Oh, man.
And that was just I don't know what that was, but when this one candle went to 876, well, that's not bad. We're up 30 points right there, guys. That 876, I bought it as soon as it came up through the 82s.
Yeah.
So now let's see if that's going to reject there. That's a nice rejection there off the 12, the 15 area, but Nvidia's got a little pullback now, but man, it rocketed up to 188.19.
Yeah, and ES pushed back up too. Q's pushed back up. VIX is coming down a little. Man, great
So yeah,
trade.
that little Nvidia option call out at 122 bucks is now worth 230.
Right.
Heck of an option.
Oh no, I wanted it 920s.
All right, I may get a pullback here. I mean, we had that wick through, but we're just gonna ride this. We're either gonna get $4 out of it, or we're gonna get 100 points.
Right?
Live for the stream. Come on, guys.
Come on, guys.
Now, on the other hand, there's 40 points if anybody wants to take that off.
Man, Nvidia's still rocket shipping.
Yeah, I mean, it pulled back a little bit and just pushed right back up.
Yeah.
And I mean, you look at our 9 and 21. I mean, they're starting to push straight up. If we can break these 20s, 25s. Oof, fighting pretty strong. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Shit.
Look at that. We got something else? What are we doing here?
Order filled.
Lots of sitting and waiting for me today. Yeah, I hear you, Mark.
Yeah.
Me and Mark were kind of talking after the stream yesterday, and you know, I was still in two contracts when we closed it yesterday short, and it finally paid off. That's when I sent you that picture of the. I was like, oh, finally, those two contracts finally short, and it worked.
Well, shit.
All right, it stopped me out right there, guys. So we got our $4. Dang it. That was pretty volatile, though. I mean, what we had to have something.
This person just posted on TikTok that said millennial gray is now millennial green. Gone green.
That's funny.
Order filled.
Come on, give us a big push. Give us something.
Right?
Oh shoot! Mark said he's $60 away from passing a lucid eval. Let's go, Mark.
Shoo.
This is the most crucial time of that eval, Mark. So be patient for sure, buddy.
Right?
I tell you, that's what gets me a lot of times. So be patient, take it easy.
Don't follow our trades right. Don't follow my trades right now.
Don't follow mine either. We want this to be strictly you clicking the button.
Stop filled.
Okay, hey, we had that little kind of boner candle right there. Now we're getting that little half retracement push up. Look at that, guys. Greg is still in, guys. Come on. He held this like a champ. Now you could tell he was getting nervous and turning red because he stopped talking a while ago. Come on, guys.
Oh, I know it, man. Just like every single day that I sit down to this computer, I'm like, you know what? Today's going to be the great day. Ugh. I mean, the hardest thing is I just got to make sure I don't do those bad trades early. Whenever I do a bad trade early, it just throws me off. Like yesterday, I did that gamble pre-market trade. Today, unfortunately, my first two trades were against your friggin' first two trades. I just friggin' hopped in, I hate trading like this, says Marco. We are between a pivot point, the VWAP. I'm going to be patient. Yeah.
Yeah, smart man.
Yeah, I'm down 183 today. Dude. All right, the next one's going to be the good one, though. I'm ready for it this time.
I mean, I liked it on the 5 minute. I mean, our VWAP's right there. The top of the box is right there. I don't know what, I mean.
Our 200 is right here at 867.
I mean, VIX just took a huge pop. So, yeah, there's the drop. I mean, I know what Zero Don's going to tell me. He's going to tell me he got in at like 920 or something for the
short from 920, guys. Beautiful trade so far.
I guarantee you that's what he's going to say.
20 minis.
He's an animal, though. He trades one mini, but he trades it on like, 20 accounts. So,
Damn. That's a big fluctuation, man. Those
yeah,
are. I mean, that's Patrick level. That's $20,000
yeah.
swings. That's crazy.
Man, there's the pop right back up off those EMAs. I really didn't think. Kind of my game plan is try to swoop in and buy it in the 80s
Yeah.
and have my stop below 68. But man, I think it came down to 57. I don't think I would have had that big of a stop below the EMAs. So it probably would have wicked me out, and then here we are.
But there's 200 bounce basically once again. I hate that our VWAPs are different. I was trying to fix that.
Understand
I know it. I was trying to fix it yesterday, though. Interestingly enough, yours is support, mine's resistance. Right?
Yeah.
So we keep both, You're like, all right.
Yeah.
Oh, man. We got to get a good stinking trade in. NVIDIA formed a nice little bull flag. Hammer candle.
Yeah, and see, I was kind of worried about NQ because what NVIDIA kind of looked like, and then right back up.
A little rejection off the 20s again. Come back down to our EMAs. We have VWAP right here. Well, my VWAP right here, 892.
See, right off the 9 again, I keep thinking, okay, this is going to be the time y'all's 9 doesn't hold, and it bounces right off of it.
Well, I know. At 920, again, we've hit 920 3 times now perfectly, and then retraced every single time just to get a good pop-up afterwards. But
NVIDIA's pulling back now. ES pulling back. Oh, shoot. 894. Come on, chat, give us some advice.
right? I mean, again, we're chopping in a range. It's been a range ever since 955, and right now we're right in the middle of the range. We're trying our hardest to force it. Oh, yeah, it's one of those things that if you're green, you should walk away right now, and if you're red, you should double down until you blow up the account.
That's right. Get even or even worse.
Yeah.
That's our motto, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see if 873 holds this time. Mark, are you trading new evals today, Greg? Yes, I am, sir.
I'm going to try one right there, guys. I'm going to put my stop down. Well, shoot. I tried to call it out. Just going to set them at even. It may come right back down here, but there's 10 quick points. Probably going to wick right back down, but kind of at break even. Come on, push. Ah. Not a good one, guys. Sorry. Gonna wait on a little bit. If it gives you just a hair dip down right here again, I'll get right back in. But I like that 80 that it wigged down through that 70s and then got back to the 80s. So that's kind of our support shelf if we can get over 80 and hold. Otherwise, we may be a little bear flag, but I'm gonna try.
Stop filled.
I'm gonna try again right there. Just quick. Not gonna be in long if it flushes.
Order filled.
Just wanted to see if it cleans up those wicks or.
Order filled.
I'm gonna grab me a drink, guys. Hold on just a second.
Ooh, doing the walkaway trade.
All right, a little more push down, I'll be out for sure. But all right, kind of cleaned up those wicks. My blue line is resistance. Come on, let's go. Just don't got it in it, does it? Nvidia's still trying to push down. VIX is the old green rocket. Maybe getting ready for a flush. Ah. Every time I think about getting out, it gets a little green and
Yeah, it teases you that it might go up
there
instead.
you go. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Come on.
There
Hey,
we go. There we go.
Who's
There
in
we
the house?
go. Come on, baby. Come on,
Just
baby.
manually taking some off.
Yup.
Got one left, guys.
Yup. Come on, baby.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Woo! Not a bad trade.
Who's in the house? Come on.
Not a bad trade, sir. Not a bad trade.
And nobody has to tell me good trade, but I want all y'all to tell me that I was crazy a while ago. To tell me I was crazy. 'Cause I sure felt it.
Shoot, man. I got my runner out at 897. You're still riding it, though.
Just down
Beautifully
here.
done. Beautifully done. 75 to 98. Yeah, that was a good trade. Well, but at the same time, what a reaction up, you know. That was kind of we were in a little bit of drawdown for a little bit there too.
Yeah, but just I wanted it to sit here a little bit.
Uh-huh.
This green candle was kind of what I was expecting because I thought it was going to clean up kind of these two. But then we got this other one and it wicked down and popped right back up to that 58. And that's kind of the only reason I stayed in is because then boom, okay, there's our support 58.
Man.
So if we close below 58, then we're out, right? But,
And look at that last one, man.
yeah, I almost got 50 points out of it now. Come on.
Shoot.
Yeah, the point of no return for a bull flag. Yeah, it was
Beautiful
do or die
trade.
right there, right, Mark?
Beautiful trade.
60 points, and that's 60 points on the last one because I think I actually bought one or two down here maybe, but
Yeah.
as long as we were down there, I think we'll just let this one kind of run a little bit, see if we can catch this top. Maybe we can catch 950. I don't know. Maybe not. We'll see. We just cleared those two previous highs. So if we can clear this 930, that 920 again, I guess, was kind of our enemy earlier, right?
Man, what a pop, though. What a stinking pop.
And that's the trades we look for, right? I mean, that was kind of...
Yeah. Beautiful. That works.
The big guy was on our side on this trade for sure.
Shoo. Give us one. Just give us one.
Almost 70 points there, guys. Come on.
Shoo. Man, look at that, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah. Look at this stinking trade. Nvidia is just ripping faces off right now, too. That's a damn good trade. Man, I wish I'd, as always, I wish I'd held it. Damn, dude. Oh, you might have muted.
I'm going to film this real quick for us. A nice little short.
Oh, hell yeah. Shoo.
Beauty. Maybe that'll be a good one.
Hell yeah, bud. Yeah, I know. We're in crunch time trying to finish off this project now. We're supposed to have it done by tomorrow, which, fucking fingers crossed. Who the hell knows? But depending on what time I get home tonight, I'll try to make a short for you as well for that one. Because, yeah, that's a beautiful trade. I mean, both of us. Again, it was a nice twinning trade, you know?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Not that it brought me back fully green, but it was a lot better. 116 now.
If it breaks the 910s, I'll take it off.
Beautiful trade.
Well, and there again, this may be one of the longest trades of my life, too, guys.
Right.
So.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. Yeah. That's funny.
Hey, Trop Trader, you have a safe trip, buddy, man. It's good to see you. Be careful and enjoy. Hop on here and say hi to us if you can, for sure.
Have to pack. I live in New Jersey, leaving today, working my way to Florida for a month, visiting friends along the way. We'll be in and out during the trip. Hell yeah, bud. Have a phenomenal trip, man. Don't hesitate. If you're going to pop up in Orlando, you know, pop in and say hi. We got an Airstream here, you know. We can trade a little. We can do some trading. We still got to get Marco over here. Well, Marco's like, man, Greg, I don't know if I want to be a part of that calamity now. he's like, Greg, I'm $40 away from passing, $60 away from passing this eval. We don't need your trades right now, bud.
That'd be a perfect time to jump on and do it live with you, right?
Hell yeah. Exactly. Let's do it live, Mark. Let's get that $60 live on the YouTubes.
There's nothing like it, guys. There's nothing like being on here live and trying to show your winning trades or taking a losing trade like a champ.
Yeah, man. It's different, man. It's different. And again, if you guys had that experience to go to the BDH, try doing it in front of Patrick. Try doing it in
Yeah.
front of Patrick and in front of 27,000 people. More importantly, in front of Patrick. That's
Hey,
hard.
that's right. I'm gonna send you. I'm gonna send you a text right now. You get it. It's just a screenshot I took yesterday.
Uh-huh.
You got to see it, and I'll tell you kind of what the response was if I can find it on here. You got to read that comment. It's like the second comment, but you got to read it.
Oh, yeah, Travis Hess. Are you ever going to bring Greg back to the BDH?
And he said he and Patrick kind of go. You'd have to go watch it, but he goes, "Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, maybe."
What? Literally, the guy has not said my name since I've left. I've sent him 3
Well,
messages,
yeah, I mean,
nothing. Like Ginger, she's phenomenal. Ginger responds to everything. Dang, so it's a maybe.
I mean, he read that out loud, so
Yeah. And then somebody goes, no, don't replace D-Money. That's so funny. Oh. Do you remember what time of the day was that stream? I actually do want to go back and watch that.
yeah, I can. Let me see what that.
Timestamp on the screenshot was, yeah.
It was 11:59 my time, so 12:59 y'all's time.
12:59. Yeah, I gotta check it out. 1 o'clock. I gotta check it out. That's funny. Chop
You know,
Trader,
just
I'll be in
coincidence,
Kissimmee for a little while. Yeah, man. That's only like, well, depending on traffic. But like 35 minutes, 45 minutes. Not too far. Let me know, man. Let me know if you want to come trade.
Yeah, you should at least go see the goats, huh?
Yeah, dude. See the goats, see the ducks. We'll get you on a wakeboard. We'll do a couple rips. Marco says he's sick right now, man. Everybody's sick. Like I said, my wife's sick. My business partner here, his 2 small kids are sick. Everybody's sick. I've had a scratchy throat for 30 days, it feels like. Man, are we going to long this thing? What are we thinking?
I mean, the 5 minutes making a really nice bull flag, but
yeah, there's a lot of room for it to come down to hit the top of that range at 883.
yeah. I don't hate it right there, but I don't. 900's kind of our support area.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. On the 1 minute, it looks crazy. On the 5, you're like, okay.
Yeah, I know. You're like, maybe. And NVIDIA just basically went up right to the top of its, plateau, maybe.
All right, let's see what it does right here. I'm going to try 2 right there. My stop's going to be below 900.
Order filled.
And just off of that, maybe that's playing out to be our little setup here. I don't love it, but I don't hate it.
Yep.
The 5 makes it look a little more promising. I'm going to try to take 1 off at the top, at the
There you
very
go.
top up there maybe.
Oh, shit.
I'm going to move them to break even just in case we rip back down.
Yep. Man, I gotta start going in with, cause I'm copy trading 2 accounts, so I'm only going in with 1 each time. I gotta start going in with
Leave at 10:30.
tomorrow.
And it's going to stop me right out. Probably should have just took that off at that top shoulder. That top shoulder is where I always take it off at, but
Yeah.
I really thought with that pop we were going to get the top of that.
But yeah, I guess I will say, give me, I guess, 10 minutes. 10. I'll go to like 10:52 today. 10 more minutes, and then I gotta skedaddle so we can finish this stinking project.
10:52, guys. You heard him.
10:52, which usually means like 11:15. We're sweating. We're still sitting here, and we're like, why didn't we leave 45 minutes ago? Son of a beach.
I mean, this 920 is trying to be our support now.
Yeah.
I mean, do you try there with your stop below 905? Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, it's hard. It's wedging. It's
I'm
consolidating
gonna
for
try.
something.
Yeah, it's gonna come right down.
We're
Stops
at,
at 905.
we're at Monday's high right now.
That's it. That's all I'm doing. I'm not gonna do any more. Right there. That's it. I mean, if technically, if we wick through, well, on a 1 minute bull flag, I wouldn't be mad if it wicked to the 900
Uh-huh.
because sometimes it kind of wicks below that first low. Maybe 905s though. Just see. 21's kind of trying to hold. What's NVIDIA doing? Nothing. It's going down, isn't it? That's perfect.
That's perfect, he says.
My plan is working.
I know, I haven't jumped in yet. We are hitting the 21. Oh, I just don't know.
I mean, that 928 pivot point's really crucial, but we're probably going to get that push down. You know, last time usually when it does this, we get the nice drop down. This morning, the one time it did this, we got that big push up. But
Yeah. NVIDIA's turning green. Here's 1045.
we're trying. We're trying. Just no volume. Need a good push. We're not getting it. Yeah, I probably should have took that off. I think we got some nice little downside maybe coming.
Oh, shoot, man. Yeah, I just sat on the sidelines there. Little reaction
Yeah,
down.
stopped out. Stopped out. Nutsack.
Nutsack, he says. Nutsack. All right.
Can you say that online?
883.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Shoot, man. Yeah, just for it to rip on back up.
Yeah, see, my original trade stops below 900 was for sure the game, but
Man,
and on that 5 minute, if you see how that previous candle, wicked, didn't quite get that first candle, but it wicked through that second candle, stopped
Yeah.
everybody out. I'm gonna try right in here around the 9.
Order filled.
See if this is gonna be a trap or if we're gonna get that push.
Come on, guys. Come on.
That pivot point at 928 may give us a little bit of trouble, but kind of wicked right through it and pulled right back below it. Come on. Oh, you got to be kidding me.
Oh yeah, Nvidia kind of fell a little bit. What time is it? We're gonna get a brand new candle right here.
Yeah, we didn't want that thing to push straight up first, but
Mark said he went to the 2-minute chart. That kept him from going long. Well, shoot, Mark.
well, Mark, I just go to the time frame where it makes me look like I want to go long. Just teasing. I do click around sometimes till I find a bull flag, and that's what I'll try to watch.
Just turn the screen sideways, upside down. Couple different ways.
Whatever I can get.
Yeah, that one looks good. Oh, man.
Come on. That 928 pivot point's just a killer.
Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
So let's see if we kind of cleaned up those wicks right there. We kind of made that 902 as kind of our temporary final support.
Come on.
Got the 50-second push. Candles fixing to close.
Oh, and
New
this is our
5 minute
1050. This will be
in.
our 1050 candle too.
I mean, yeah, we don't want the 1050 candle. If this was any other 1050 candle, it would be good.
come on.
Trying to hold the 910s. Got to hold that 900. Come on.
Fuck.
Stop filled.
Not good.
Nope. Boo. Ooh, there's the 200.
All done.
Well, I guess we'll buy some at the 200s and hope that that saves us. Come on. Come on, just a little more. Nope, it's not holding. Ah, shit. Yeah, Nvidia just went off a cliff, too.
Yeah, just still pushing down.
Yep. Probably got to get out of it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
Alright. Well, shit.
It's bailing us out.
You guys need a Trump to tweet right about now. Oh, I know, man. Good God. Oh. Stinking
Come on, baby.
thing. Stinking thing.
Come on,
Stinking
baby.
thing.
Oof, all right, I'm out.
Yeah, I got out. I got green on the trade at least, and I got a little bit of money back, but we're still down.
Well, I tried to exit that one kind of, well, as it was dropping, but I don't know
Yeah.
what I lost exactly. But the last one I saw, it was like negative 700.
Shit. Yeah.
So then we just revenged that right off the bottom there.
Yeah, that's what I did too. I was up to like 12 or 14 or something like that.
Yeah, I think I did 20.
Yeah.
So I'm down 114 now. So.
I'm down 160. Look at us.
Oh shoot! And that was after being up 500. So.
Yeah, shit, man. Finicky day. Well, so Nvidia bounced off its 200. Like that I have that on there now.
Yeah.
Huh. See if we can't get a back above our 200.
VIX is kind of over the EMAs and at the back of to at the bottom of its 15-minute box.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe it'll get a little resistance there. I mean, this is kind of a bear flag, but.
But yeah, that's what we need. We need a week that we can pass a couple of evals, and then we'll send it to Patrick. I'll email it to Patrick and be like, hey, listen, man, we're passing evals. Let me and Trading
Yeah.
Cowboy come on the show. We'll do
Yeah.
it one day, you know. That would be a lot of fun.
Yeah, come let us ride with you.
Man, there goes that pop.
Yeah.
So let's see. Let's see if we get a little halfway retracement and then target the top of the shoulder. Is that a plan?
Yeah, I mean, maybe back to the 84 maybe and hold for sure. Stop would be below 72. I don't like that it's in between the EMAs is kind of the only.
Negative.
Yeah, it's popping right off the bat. So.
Yeah, Nvidia's pushing good.
When it pops like that right off the bat, it makes me want to try to short it, but maybe this is the move back up. Maybe try to short it at the 920s. Or is
Yeah.
that crazy?
Literally. I mean, that's been kind of the resistance point, right? Actually, I'm going to try that. We're going to try a 920 pop. Hopefully it doesn't just pop right away. Ah, these friggin' stops have just not been working lately. No, it's going to pop right away, isn't it?
Look at that.
Ah,
Stop filled.
too tight, too tight, too tight, too tight, too tight, too tight.
I mean, yeah, Nvidia's pushing back. VIX dropped.
Mm-hmm.
ES is back above the EMAs, back above the box. NQ is the same.
We're starting to curl just a little.
Making a little bull flag. All right, I'm going to try right there, maybe.
Yeah.
Probably need to wait for it to push back through to the 920s, but we're down, so we're angry.
Yep.
We need every extra point we can get.
Man, I'm going to try the bathroom trick too. Sometimes if I just walk away and go pee, you know, it'll just hit both
If you hear us
price
screaming,
targets,
run back.
you know?
Bull flag, bull flag, bull flag. Come on, guys. Chant for Greg. He's not here. Bull flag, bull flag, bull
Hold
flag.
on.
Order filled.
Shit, man. Like naked halfway off screen here.
Well, we were hoping you didn't come back till the bull flag played out right here.
Literally.
Because it almost hit you all ago. I mean, I took one off at the top, but I still got one because I didn't want you to be in the trade by yourself.
Nice. All right, down 87 on the day. I think that's got to be it. Because
Look
I
at
got to
there,
keep
there's our
going.
bull
Oh,
flag. Come
shit,
on.
you're still in it right now. Hell yeah, man. Get that pump. Get that
Yeah, I was
pump.
staying in because you were in. I didn't want you to come back and it be negative and me be out. And
Well, now you just got excited for me to jump back in. Damn it. All right, now we need this thing to push on this next candle. Come on, don't push down.
come on.
Of course. Of course. No, come on, NVIDIA. Don't you do it. Don't you stinking do it.
I mean, everything looks the same. VIX is still down. We got to
Come
get
on.
that push, right?
Right
Got to.
now. Right now. Right now.
Got to get that push. Come on.
Right now. Come on. Come on, baby. Alright, only took one.
Filled.
Let's go hit the 45s. Come on. 45. Come on. Push.
Somebody please help, says Starring Dashes. Good morning, Starring Dashes. Please send help. I agree.
Oh, come on.
No. We
No
were
push.
right
Come on.
there.
There's the 9. Save us, 9. Save us.
We were right there.
We're going to need you to come help us.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. What do we got? Man, just they have such a far way. We have such a far way to fall. 873.
Yeah. Stopped me out right there. Come on. All right, if we
873.
get, I mean, 900 still our support, but well, right here is actually pretty decent support. That 908, but
All right, we're gonna get. Uh oh, no, I should have jumped
Nvidia
out.
just nosedived.
Yeah, I should have jumped out.
I'm gonna try right there at the bottom with you.
All right.
Order filled.
Just because of how fast it wicked.
In it to win it. The only thing I hate though that our support is right there at 890 really, so we're basically there. Shit. Well, just buy to the 870s. It is what it is.
Order
I
filled.
mean, Nvidia all the way back down to the box.
Yep. It's alright.
This
They're
would
just
be our. We need this to hold here, otherwise we're gonna get that pushed down. Maybe start looking for shorts.
we've been in a range for an hour, not taking any trades till we break out of the range. Says Mark. Yeah, definitely smart. You're the voice of reason, sir. You are the voice of reason.
Order filled.
I mean, I don't know. We might have a quick little wick down to the 870s, but ugh.
Come on, push, baby. Give us a little pop. Little reversal candle, little doji. Can we go retest the 9 maybe, or at least 900? Kind of fast.
Oh shoot, man! You just averaged down so well. You're already back to green. My average is 905. How many are you riding right now? I can't see.
Do what?
How many are you riding right now?
I got 2 left right now.
Oh, just 2 contracts. Oh.
I think I had 5 while ago.
Starring dashes. Do we teach as well? Not yet. Not yet. But give us. I mean,
We're teaching you what we do.
we do live YouTubes every single stinking day, Monday through Friday. Usually from 9:20 till about like 10:45, 11ish, I would say. And then Trading Cowboy does the afternoon session as well. So make sure that you like and subscribe him also.
Yeah.
Order filled.
But no, I mean, long-term plan. 6 months from now, maybe we'll come out with our course. We'll let y'all know all the fun little tidbits we learned. As I'm $260 down on this trade. Follow me for more trading advice.
Not looking very promising for us right now.
Nope.
Order filled.
Especially, I mean, like Nvidia again, kind of lost its support point. So this might be the point where we just fall. Man, which again, this is what I said yesterday. This is what screwed me up yesterday, and I said I'm not going to do it again today. Whereas, like, I was so stubborn in my position that I just didn't exit. I just kept adding and adding and adding, and here we are, history repeating itself. Shoot.
All right. Yeah, I'm out of that.
Yeah. Shit.
Now we'll get that pop, though, because we're kind of right there at the bottom of that wick. But
Right.
yeah, right back up now. VIX back to the top of the bottom of the box, or to the bottom of the box. Back up. I mean, ES and NQ kind of bounced right at that bottom support, that 858 area again. There's a nice pop for you.
Stock filled.
Yuck me.
Order filled. Order filled.
Look at that, guys. Red
we
to
go.
green.
Stock filled. Order rejected.
Oh, what the fuck am I doing, man? Now I'm clicking the wrong damn things.
Stock filled.
Right? Alright, let's leave that
Look at
last
his average, guys. Got that thing right at the bottom of that.
Shoo.
Have a little resistance right here, maybe, but
Yeah, I mean, we're up almost 50 points now, guys.
look at that. Greg in the house.
Shoo! Man, my energy level is gone now. Though. I'm just like, why? Oh, because we're still down, 160 on the friggin' day. But yeah, look at that. There's well, we just went up to 908 for a sec there. Come on, let's do something. Push, push, push. Man, look at that 9. Look at what the 9 did. It went whoop, bloop, like fish hooked.
Yeah, and curled right back up, yeah.
That's what I'm hoping it doesn't break that. I'm hoping it doesn't break 890s. And maybe we can get it back up to there. Like the 925s would be pretty nice.
Yeah.
We'll see, though. Come on, springboard. Stop that. All right, gang, that's got to be my last trade of the day. It was so much fun hanging out with you guys. Tomorrow is day 4 of Calamity. How did you end up on the day? Are you green or are you red?
No, I'm red. Negative 967.
Ah, shit. Yeah, dude, today,
Just
I
because I
don't
got out
know.
at the bottom there, if I'd have rode that back up a little bit, but it's okay.
We just, and it's something that we've talked about a lot. It's hard to have a YouTube channel about trading and then not trade. Because
Yeah,
looking at
everybody wants to see
this,
that.
looking at this, right? Just like Marco said, like Charles said, like a lot of people have been saying now is they're just sitting on their hands because, we're just in barcoding chop right now. Just chop, 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 chop,
Yeah.
chop, 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 chop. So technically, this isn't stuff you should trade. This is stuff that you should sit out and be like, well, it's not set in the setup, so we're just going to sit out. Man, those first couple trades, though, I mean, you had some stinking monster trades today.
Oh,
And
yeah,
then we just
we
got-
had a good session right there kind of early.
Yeah,
Kind of got chopped out right here, but
yeah, just a little bit of end of session chop there. Hey, do you ever play news? Do you want to play news tomorrow with me at 8:30, or is that a little too early for you?
yeah, we can.
Yeah? Shoo! All right, gang. So tomorrow, we will log in at about like 8:25. Maybe, yeah, like
Yeah.
8:20, 8:25-ish. And we'll do a PCE. That's what's tomorrow, right? PCE? I think. Let's see. PCE. What is Friday? Friday. Yeah, PCE. PCE at 8:30. Let's do a little PCE gamble with you guys. And this is the account I'm probably going to use. That's why I wanted to make sure I didn't blow it up today, because we can blow it up tomorrow. Yay!
Heck yeah.
I love you guys to death. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Starring Dashes, thank you so much for chiming in, saying hi to us today. And, of course, all of our friends. I don't want to miss anybody but Marco, Chop Trader, Charles, Driving
Yeah.
Obsession. We love all you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Zero Down, same thing, man. Miguel, obviously we can never forget you. We love you all to
Love, man.
death. Thanks, gang. Stay green.
Thanks, guys. Giddy up.
We'll get